How to fix Uber driver app not working. Let's get started. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Uber driver. After app appears, at the right corner you will find the option of update or open. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you have to clear the cache of the app. For that, long press on the app. You'll see the option of app info, click on it. Now at the bottom right corner, you will see the option of clear data, click on it. Click on clear cache, click on OK, click on clear all data, click on OK. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution also doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall the app. So click on this option of uninstall. Now you can close this and open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Uber driver. After app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Uber driver app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.